In this video, I will be solving the maxEnd3 problem of the Array-1 section. Here comes the 5-second break for you to pause and attempt this problem on your own. Alright. So in the maxEnd3 method, we will be given an integer array nums having length 3. First of all, we need to figure out which is the larger number out of the first element or last element of the nums. And once we have found that larger number, we need to return back an array only of length 3 and initialize each element of that array with the larger number. So let's use these examples to understand the problem better. If nums is 1, 2, 3, out of 1 and 3, 3 is the larger number. Hence, we are returning array containing 3, 3, 3. Out of 11 and 9, 11 is the larger number. Hence, the resulting array is 3 times 11. Similarly, out of 2 and 3, again 3 is the larger number, hence the resulting array is 3 times 3. So now coming to solution, how can we solve this problem or what would be the steps involved? So of course the first step would be we need to determine the larger number out of the first and last element. So let's do that and define it as int larger is equal to nums 0 greater than nums. Let me also define the length variable. Int len is equal to nums dot length. Yes, nums 0 greater than nums of len minus 1. If this is the case, then larger is nums 0, else it's nums of len minus 1. Here we have captured the larger element or number. Now we have to create one new array. Int result is equal to new int of len, and for int I is equal to 0, I is less than len, I plus plus, initialize each of the element, result of I is equal to larger, and then finally return back the result. Let's run the test cases to verify. Yes, all of them pass. There are some changes that can be done here, but first of all, let me submit the code on the platform and see. Yeah. So this larger element can be easily found using the mat.max as well. Let me comment this out and use math.max of nums of 0 and nums of len minus 1. And here the length is small. We are only having like length of 3 elements. So we can also return an anonymous array using something like, if I comment it out this and return new int larger 3 times, basically larger. This would also give us the same result only if I submit this on the platform. Yes, but I believe we should be using for loop only here. So let me remove this and just make changes in the logic of finding the larger element. Yes. And now submit it on the platform once again. Yes. Now let's push the code to GitHub. 2 files added. Okay, and maxEnd3. G push and see the code has been uploaded. Done.